Hi guys, welcome back to my channel at Bizyjoe.com. So today we'll be discussing about Facebook monetization method for groups, how to monetize your Facebook groups. Although Facebook don't have any monetization package for groups because they don't show ads on Facebook groups is a community, so they don't show ads. It's against their advert policy. Unlike Facebook page that you can easily monetize, Facebook normally shows ad on Facebook pages and on users timeline. So but the reverse is the case for Facebook groups. So but that does not withstand, you can actually make a whole lot of money from your Facebook group. So I'm a living witness to that. I have a Facebook group of more than 800k members. So I know how much I make on those groups on a monthly basis or on a daily basis. So I'm going to show you what I do to make money on my Facebook groups, how to monetize your Facebook groups. So but before I do that, if you are first time or visiting my channel, please do it to subscribe and also share this video to your friends. So before that, they say in the online world that audience is the key. So if you can be able to gather your audience at a place, maybe a group or any place, you are going to monetize that particular audience. So the first thing first is to getting audience, getting a huge number of people to join your groups. And there are so many ways you can do that. I have a video on my channel on how to grow your Facebook groups. You understand? It's not a small task actually, but you can actually do that. So you can actually grow your Facebook groups and page. I have a video on my channel, so go and check it out. So after growing your group, the next thing to another challenge you face is to how to monetize those groups, how to convert those audience to money. That's the monetization aspect of that. So that's what I will be showing you. So what I do on my own case, there are two ways to monetize your audience, whether Facebook group, any particular group, Instagram, any audience that you have. There are two ways to do that. So the first way is to rent the group to content creators. Let's assume that you have a particular group, a Facebook group for a specific people. Maybe you're a celebrity fan or football club or football player and all that. These people that join that group, these people are people that are interested in getting information related to that particular niche, related to that particular celebrity or football fans. So I have a group on Manchester United FC. So I have people that are interested, that are United fans. So what I need to go do is to find content creators that are looking for traffic. I will find them out, reach out to them. I have a group that I can lend this particular group to you so that I can be sharing your content on those groups and getting traffic to your blog. You discuss your terms. You understand? Some charge as low as $10 per month, or for me, I charge between 10,000 naira to 15,000 per month on my Manchester United group because the group is very active actually. So you can actually contact me if you're a football blogger. You can rent those groups. You understand? So you can, one aspect of that is renting those groups out to content creators, especially bloggers. They are the people that will be needing those particular type of group because they need quick audience. So another way you can actually monetize your Facebook group is through paid promotion. Businesses can pay you depending on your audience to advertise their product, to advertise their services on that particular audience. And this is also the way Facebook make their money, through paid promotions. So you can actually collect money from these businesses, from these individuals, and promote their content on your group. And you don't need to create those content. You are not creating anything. What you need to, and those businesses, they are going to reach out to you. Once you have that group, they are going to search for you and find you. If I show you the number of messages I get on my Facebook, on my messenger on a daily basis, you'll be mad. Some of them are scam actually, because if you don't know, they will scam you and take your group and hack your account. So you need to be careful about that. So the paid promotion, if you don't find them, they will find you. Especially all those bet stuff, 1xBet, Bet Niger and all that. they promote their business using your Facebook group. So the two ways that I've used so far is through rent and through paid promotion. So there are so many people that can promote. You can promote even content creators, articles. There are so many things you can promote in your group once you have that particular group. So this is exactly how you can actually make money, monetize your Facebook group. So if you also have any other method how you can monetize your Facebook group, just let me know in the comment section so that you can also make money together. So it will be a win-win. So, and also remember to share this video with your friends and family. So thanks for watching this video.